for this last drink, we have something really special. We're calling it the Magnolia Song.
That's right, and what's so great about this cocktail is that it is spirit-free. The very first ingredient that we will be using today is a 1/4 ounce of lime juice.
Then we're gonna follow that up with a bar spoon of agave.
We're gonna have 1 ounce of a Green Shrub.
And we're gonna add the ice. Secure the lid. We're gonna shake. We're gonna pour this goodness into the glass. And the last ingredient is a lemon-lime soda. It's called Hooch.
So for the garnishes, we're going to be using a cucumber slice.
And then we're going to top it with some edible flowers. And there you are. That's our Magnolia Song.
Cheers.